Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 4 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, markets in big cities of Pakistan. In this lesson, we will read about the famous market in big cities of Pakistan here. I hope you are familiar with the few famous markets of Pakistan. SLOs of this lesson are: understand the purpose of markets, know the importance of markets in big cities, learn the names of main markets. Look at the page number 15 of your textbook here. We have a pre-reading activity. Do you go to the market with your parents? What is the name of the market near your home? What did your mother bring for you when she went to shopping last time? Student, these questions are for you. Did you go to market with your parents? Or do you know any market near your home? Or did your mother bring for you when shopping last time? What did your mother bring for you? Do you remember the things? We have a picture of a market here. As you can see, people are busy selling and buying on bike, rickshaw. This person is selling watermelons here. These are the other fruits. There is a market here. So let's start the lesson. A market is a place where we can buy and sell products. Products जो चीजें होती हैं हम जो बेचते और खरीदते हैं. There are many shop, offices and plazas in a market where people can buy products of their necessity. Necessity लोग जहां पर अपनी जरूरत की चीज खरीदते हैं. Necessity means जरूरत. Some markets offer all types of household goods. Household means घरेलू चीजें, घर के काम आने वाली. Whereas some markets deal with the specific items. The common name for market is bazaar. In Peshawar, famous bazaars are Qissa Khwani Bazaar, Bazaar-e-Kalan and Khyber Bazaar here. Namak Mandi is famous for food like tikka and kadhai. The traditional halal food of Peshawar can be bought from Namak Mandi and Khyber Bazaar. Traditional means रिवायती खाने जो होते हैं हमारे. So in this paragraph, dear student, we discussed a market where the people sell and buy products is called bazaar in a common language. Peshawar, we have a famous bazaars like Qissa Khwani Bazaar, Bazaar-e-Kalan and Khyber Bazaar. You can go to Namak Mandi to eat tikka and kadhai. It's very delicious. The traditional halal food of Peshawar can be bought from Namak Mandi. You can find the real halal food from Peshawar from Namak Mandi and Khyber Bazaar here. Now look at the second paragraph here. The famous kulfa can be bought from Qissa Khwani Bazaar in summer. During shopping, customers enjoy faluda and sweet dish mainly found there. Peshawar is known for its kahwa, green tea, which has a nice flavor. Nice flavor, जायका बहुत अच्छा होता है. Kahwa is supplied all over Pakistan from Peshawar. Supply किया जाता है कहवा पाकिस्तान से दूसरे शहरों को. Sharbat sandal is a sweet drink found in Peshawar markets in summer. So, here in this paragraph, what we read about a kulfa, a very kulfa faluda ice cream, you can find it in Qissa Khwani Bazaar. It's very delicious. It's a sweet dish, and it's a sweet dish you can find there. Peshawar is also known for its green tea, which has a very nice flavor, and Peshawar also supply this green tea to all over Pakistan. And Sharbat-e-Sandal is also a nice drink which is found in markets of Peshawar in summer. Now look at this paragraph here. Markets in Balochistan are considered a hub of handicrafts. हब उसको कहते हैं जो मेन जगह जहां से चीजें बनती हैं और सप्लाई होती है. हैंडीक्राफ्ट हाथ से बनी हुई चीजें. फीमेल्स अर्न लाइवलीहुड फॉर देयर फैमिली फ्रॉम हैंडीक्राफ्ट. लाइवलीहुड मतलब कमाई का उनका जरिया है. जीने के लिए, खाने पीने और दूसरी जरूरियात के लिए वो लोग हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स बनाकर बेचती हैं ताकि उनका घर चल सके. द हैंडीक्राफ्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स आर सप्लाइड नॉट ओनली इनसाइड बट आउटसाइड पाकिस्तान. क्वेटा इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ बलोचिस्तान. It is known as the fruit basket of Pakistan. So, what we discussed in this paragraph here, the markets in Balochistan, their handicrafts are very famous and female mostly do this, the handicraft for their livelihood, and the handicraft also supplied to all over the Pakistan, not only in the Pakistan but outside from the Pakistan too, to the other countries. And Quetta is the big city of Balochistan, the province Balochistan, and it is also known the fruit basket of Pakistan. We can find so many apple trees and the copses of grapes there. That's why it's very known for their fruits. Now look at this paragraph here. Karachi is the main city of Sindh. The bazaar of Karachi are good sources of metal, embroidery and carpets. These are the most colorful bazaar in this old city. Each lane has a separate market selling different products. The Sarafa bazaar is lined with the jewelry shop. Then there are Soldier bazaar and Khajur date bazaar. Khajur bazaar is known as the largest date market in Pakistan. Impress market in Sadr is one of the oldest markets of Karachi. Here in this paragraph, we read about the Karachi, the main city of Sindh. Yes, it has also few very famous market which sell products like metal, लोहे की बनी हुई चीजें, एम्ब्रॉयडरी, खशीदाकारी की चीजें और कारपेट्स इनके बहुत मशहूर है. These are also known colorful bazaar in this old city. Karachi is a very old city of Pakistan. Each land has a separate market. They sell different products and things. The Sarafa bazaar is lined with the jewelry shop, and there is a Soldier bazaar, the Khajur bazaar. Khajur bazaar is the largest date market in Pakistan, and Impress market, yes, in Sadr is one of the oldest and biggest market. You can find anything in this market. For now, dear student, we will just end our lesson here. We will continue the lesson and this unit in our next lesson too. So, I want you to read in the advance the next paragraph of this unit. So, dear student, हमने आज के सबक में पाकिस्तान की कुछ फेमस मार्केट्स के बारे में पढ़ा. मार्केट वो होती है जहां पर लोग चीजें बेचते और खरीदते हैं, जिसको कॉमन लैंग्वेज में क्या कहा जाता है, बाजार कहा जाता है. हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में पेशावर का जो फेमस बाजार हैं, किस्सा ख्वानी बाजार हैं और बाजार कला और खैबर बाजार हैं. यहाँ के खाने और आइसक्रीम और फालूदा आइसक्रीम बहुत और कुल्फा बहुत मशहूर है. यहाँ की ग्रीन टी और शरबत संदल भी. उसके बाद हमने बलोचिस्तान की मार्केट के बारे में पढ़ा. कोयटा इसका मेन सिटी है. यहाँ पर हैंडीक्राफ्ट बहुत मशहूर हैं और इसे फ्रूट बास्केट ऑफ पाकिस्तान भी कहा जाता है. इसके बाद हमने कराची के बारे में पढ़ा. कराची मेन सिटी है सिंध का. यहाँ के भी कुछ बाजार बहुत मशहूर हैं. यहाँ पर कारपेट्स, मेटल और एम्ब्रॉयडरी की दुकानें बहुत हैं. और यहाँ पर खजूर बाजार जो है सबसे लार्जेस्ट डेट मार्केट है, और इम्प्रेस मार्केट भी जो सबसे पुरानी और फेमस मार्केट है कराची की. स्टूडेंट्स, हम अपना ये लेसन और ये अपना यूनिट कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेसन में. नाउ आई वांट यू टू डू द फर्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट वी हैव रेड जस्ट नाउ. Answer the following question here. Why do people go to markets? Yes, you can find the answer of this question here in this paragraph on page number 15. Look at the second one. Which market is famous for food like tikka and kadhai in Peshawar? Yes, we just discussed it now. Here, you can find the answer of the second question here. Look at the third question. Which markets are considered the hub of handicrafts? In this paragraph of Balochistan about Quetta, you can find the answer of the third question here. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.